Hello everyone, I am Shaini Chatterjee and I'd like to welcome you all to my YouTube channel on diploma and engineering videos. Today we will learn another problem on properties of fluids. And don't skip the video in between. So let's start the video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell notification for instant updates. So first of all, let's see the question. 8 liters of a liquid with specific gravity of 0.8 is mixed with 10 liters of a liquid of specific gravity 1.3. If this combination shrinks by 2% on mixing, find the volume, specific gravity and weight of the mixture. So after reading the question, first of all, I will write the given data. So here you can see that first is given volume 1, which is equals to 8 liters of a liquid, and the specific gravity of that liquid is 0.8. Now that liquid is mixed with another liquid 10 liters. So 10 liters is volume 2 or V2 and specific gravity, that is S2, is 1.3. So now let's write the given data. Now I will convert liter into meter cube. So simply multiply it by 10 raised to minus 3 or 10 to the power minus 3. Specific gravity of the liquid with volume 8 liters is 0.8. That means S1 equals to 0.8. And the specific gravity of the liquid with 10 liters volume is 1.3. And one more data is given in the question, that is combination shrinks by 2% on mixing. So let's see what we have to find in this question. We have to find out the volume. So first is volume of the mix, specific gravity of the mix, and third is weight of the mix. Weight is denoted by capital W. Okay. So first of all, before solving this problem, I want to tell you that before solving V mix and S mix, I will calculate and find out W mix first. Okay. So we will find out W mix. Now we all know that specific gravity equals to gamma fluid by gamma water. What is gamma fluid? It is the weight density of the fluid divided by weight density of water. So we will apply that formula first. Specific gravity equals to gamma fluid by gamma water. So gamma fluid will be equals to, here you can see a liquid is there. So that liquid is this fluid. Therefore, gamma fluid equals to simply 2 multiplication, that is S into gamma water. So we will apply this formula. Okay. So I can write that gamma 1 equals to S multiplied by gamma water and gamma 2 equals to S multiplied by gamma water. This is S1 and this is S2. We all know that gamma W equals to 9810. We all know this. This is equals to 9810. Those who don't know this, please go through my earlier video. You can find the link here. So you must go through my earlier 3 videos before proceeding to this video. Okay. So now you can see from the given data that S1 equals to 0.8 and S2 equals to 1.3. So simply multiply 0.8 into 9810. So you will get gamma 1, and 1.3 multiplied by 9810, you will get gamma 2. So gamma 1 equals to, and gamma 2 equals to, so we have find out gamma 1 and gamma 2. Now we all know that specific weight, that is gamma, equals to weight divided by volume. We all know this, that gamma equals to W by V. We already have studied this formula earlier. So applying this formula, we also know that the values of V1 and V2 are given in the question. So simply we will substitute this. Therefore gamma 1 equals to W by V1 and gamma 2 equals to W by V2. We know the values of gamma 1, which is 7848 Newton per meter cube, and gamma 2, which is 12753 Newton per meter cube. So we will substitute both of these values. So this is W1 and this is W2. V1 is 8 into 10 to the power minus 3. And V2 is, and gamma 2 we have already found out. V2 is 10 into 10 to the power minus 3. From these two we can find out the values for W1 and W2. So W1 comes out to be, how you will find out W1? W1 equals to 7848 multiplied by 8 into 10 to the power minus 3, which comes out to be 62.78 Newton. Similarly, you can find out W2 also. W2 is equal to how much? 10 into 10 to the power minus 3 multiplied by 12753. So W2 equals to 127.53 Newton. So simply add both of this, that is W1 plus W2. So W equals to W1 plus W2 equals to 62.78 plus 127.53. So it comes out to be 190.314 Newton. So we have found out our answer for weight of the mix. So I hope this is clear to all of you. Now we will find out the first answer, that is volume of the mix. Now from the given data we can see V1 and V2 is given in the question. So total volume. So total volume is what? V1 plus V2. So V equals to V1 plus V2, which is equals to 8 plus 10 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3. So 8 plus 10 into 10 to the power minus 3. 10 to the power minus 3 I have taken common. So 8 plus 10 is 18 into 10 to the power minus 3. What is the unit? Unit is meter cube. So if the combination shrinks by 2%, then the total volume of the mix will be 98%, because 100 minus 2% comes out to be 98%. And 98% means 98 by 100, which is 0.98. So 0.98 multiplied by this total volume, you will get the volume of mix. Volume of mix after shrinking by 2% equals to V mix, which is equals to 100 minus 2% multiplied by 18 into 10 to the power 3 minus 3. 100 minus 2 is 98, and 98% means 98 by 100 multiplied by 18 into 10 to the power minus 3. So when 100 will go in the numerator, it will be 10 to the power minus 5. So comes out to be 1764 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 5. Unit is in meter cube. If you want the answer to be in this format, that is in 10 to the power minus 5 format, just keep it in this way. Else you can convert it in decimal form. So in decimal form, the answer will look like 0.01764 meter cube. Now the last one is remaining, that is specific gravity of the mix. Now we all know that gamma equals to W by V. So we will simply write it as gamma mix equals to W mix by volume of the mix. Now W mix is nothing but 190.31 Newton divided by volume of the mix is 0.01764 meter cube. So dividing both of this, we get so this is gamma mix. Therefore, we know that S mix is equals to gamma mix by gamma water. Correct? Now we will substitute the value of gamma mix as 10.78 into 10 to the power minus 3, and gamma water is 9810. So it comes out to be 1.0997. So approximately it comes out to be 1.1. So S mix comes out to be 1.1. So we have calculated volume of the mix, specific gravity of the mix, as well as weight of the mix. Thank you all for watching this video. Stay safe at your homes. Please share this video with your friends. See you all soon in our next video. Till then, goodbye to all of you.